Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Adeline, or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, I really appreciate you. I appreciate all the newcomers coming to see what I'm doing. In this video, I'm showing you two new kits and some of the dolls that I've painted. So let's get into it. First, we're going to start off with a replica. And this is the Elliot kit. Let me see if I can tear into it without leaving you guys. Okay. He looks so much like the pickle. No, not the pickle, the peaches. He looks so much like the peaches baby. And I am working on a peaches baby. She has vitiligo, and as soon as she's available, she will be up for sale. Okay, but let's go through this kit right quick. Oh, he's pretty and handsome. He's really pretty. He favors her. They could be twins. He got some big legs. Big, bad legs. Look at them thighs on this baby. Oh my goodness. Got a big foot. I like the big that he has a big foot, because then I can try to find some shoes for him. The kit looks like it's in pretty good shape. I don't see any flaws in it. But look at them fat legs, would you? Yeah, some big ham hocks. And his arms. He's a big boy. But I don't see anything wrong with the kit. And I love his sculpt. It's, I love that. He's nice. I'm gonna have to get another one of him. Okay. And also I have an authentic jade. No, what is Johanna? Here's her COA. She's by Bountiful Baby. She's a real boy. Let's see what her kit looks like. Ah, this is the open eye Johanna. I want a closed-eyed one too. She's not as big as he was. So I'm going to see if I can't crochet them a pair of shoes to send with they box opening. I don't know if I'm going to get around to it. I'm busy. I do other crafts in my life. I make soap, been making soap since 2009. So I've got some events coming up, and I've got to prepare for them. So I don't know when I will have her ready, or but whenever she is ready, she will be on my Just Soaps Y'all website for sale. Right now, I don't have a website for my babies, but who knows? I might get one later. But right now, you can purchase her on the doll shop and the Just Soaps Y'all website when she is available. You can check that website out. Okay, so now I've showed you all some of the kits that I've got going on. Now I want to show you some of the babies that I've already made. This is the first baby that I made. He's an Erica kit. Let me see who his sculpt is. His sculpt is Joanna Kazmierzak. But I love him. He's never leaving my collection because he is such a handsome young man. This was the very first baby I made. Oops, excuse me. I hit it. Okay. This is Laura by Bonnie Brown. She's got kind of some bed hair going on. She's been asleep for a while, but her hair is really pretty, and it just needs, you just rub it down and put a little water on it, rub it down. You can style it and then let it dry, and she's good to go for a few days until you mess it up. But she's my sleeping baby. See? I paint with golden paints. I paint with golden acrylic paints. I also made another Erica, which looks different from the first one. They do not look the same to me. But I'm going to keep them both bald head because I think they look handsome bald headed. And now I'm going to show you this little wild child of mine. He is a replica. All of those babies are replicas, but he's a replica. He is the Levi Kid, open eye, and his hair is curlier. You just put water on it and fluff it out, and it gets curly, really curly. But this baby is very sentimental to me. When my mom was in her final days, I started working on him, and he was my comfort. He was the baby who helped me through it all. And so I'm having a hard time letting him go. I don't think that I will ever let him go. He will always be with my collection. Also, the first baby I made the Erica. I still call him Eric, but he will be with my collection. This right here, he's Russell. Hey, Russell. She is Leilani, and he is Dwayne. So I appreciate you all coming into my world and seeing what babies I do. Like I said, I paint with golden air dry acrylic paints. I love them. I will show a baby made from beginning to end soon as I can get my videos up and going, so that you can see the process in which I make the babies. People say that it's hard to make ethnic babies. I don't find it that hard to make. I don't know what it is they do that I don't do, but anyway, we're artists. We're all artists, and we all are different. So it could be hard to some and easy for others. And I'm just wanting to show you what I do and how I do it. So I prepare a lot of things to make it, a lot of my paint colors to make it easy for me. So this is, sometimes you have to do that. I don't paint with very thin paints. My paint has some consistency to it. So when those, and I'm sure that it's going to be many, many videos that I share with you guys about my process. And when I do, you're able to, join in with me. Can't wait to get that little series started. And I will be working on it very soon. But what I do need you guys to do is like, share, and subscribe. Now, I'm doing a video. I'm doing a giveaway when I reach 100, and I need you guys to subscribe because it is for the subscribers. Anybody that don't subscribe won't be in the giveaway, point blank. So I need you all to subscribe, please. So anyway, um, I think that's going to be all for right now. I have plenty other babies that I have made as well. I'm working on some, putting hair on them, uh, gluing them, the hair in, sealing the hair. Um, and it's just going to take a little minute for those to get ready for me to, be able to show you those babies. But when they are available, I will show you those babies as well. So please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.